Thus, it's incredibly exciting that they're creating a personalized robo-taxi. It displays their self-assurance and independence. As you are aware, we are currently pushing out to consumers the newest version of the autonomous technology software, FSD2, that demonstrates their capability and confidence once more. It has also been reported that Optimus may start launching in 2019. Therefore, in my opinion, Tesla is this giant in the AI field. One of the biggest AI prospects of our time will be this, and while considering the stock, I believe it is, quite simply, incorrect to overlook that. I'm eager about it thus. March 29th is expected to be a turning point in the history of Tesla stock, so mark your calendars now. The tide is turning, with explosive announcements and calculated changes, and we're here to go into great detail about why this date will go down in Tesla history. Come along with us as we explore the most recent turns in the Tesla stock market. The future is full of exciting things to look forward to, from groundbreaking discoveries to massive shifts in the market. So grab a drink of your choice, take a seat, and let's explore the reasons behind why Tesla stock is about to change on March 29th. You won't want to miss this video. Make sure you click the like and subscribe buttons before continuing. Let's get this video started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Now, let's talk about AI. With the advent of self-driving technology, it is poised to completely transform our way of life. Envision getting into your car in Austin and driving to the airport without having to do anything at all. Yes, it sounds like a sci-fi dream. However, Elon Musk's idea is bringing it to pass. Cars are becoming as perceptive as human drivers because of the use of digital neuron nets and cameras. They can read signs, anticipate intents, and navigate with ease. Tesla's next-generation Roadster is finally going into production after years of waiting. Since its launch in 2017, there have been many ups and downs, but Musk now reassures us that it is indeed occurring. This electric sports car is ready to revolutionize speed with its incredible acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under a second. Still, suspicion persists. Will Tesla meet expectations this time? Some opponents wonder if Musk's statement is merely a response to rival companies' actions, such as the recent reveal of BYD. Not to mention the outrageous price tags. The Roadster is stunning, but its influence may be limited by its high price. After all, affordability is a must for real EV market success. Imagine traveling at a speed twice the sound pressure. It seems incredible to go from 0 to 60 in just 1 second, doesn't it? But wait a moment. Is our body able to withstand that level of acceleration? What about the possibility that the car will take off? Formula One cars have systems in place to keep them grounded, underscoring the difficulties associated with traveling at such high speeds. Actually, it's funny that you brought that up. The car will accelerate and become airborne as it lifts off the ground. Therefore, the figure isn't really practical. I almost feel lightheaded right now at 2 seconds on the plate. It is therefore quite difficult for your body to keep up with the speed at which you are traveling. As in, the plate moves faster than your body can process. The human body cannot possibly withstand the thought of being even twice as quick, since you would be able to do it in less than a second. Second, I believe it would be quite simple for the car to take off. That's the reason Formula One uses all those devices to keep the car applying pressure on the ground. Thus, I believe that's a good concept. Given that BYD's Yang Wang is a Chinese supercar that is causing waves, I believe Elon has an ego problem. This because Elon Musk's ego is fueling his desire for speed. Speaking of BYD, there's talk that they will soon rule the road. While it's possible, it's more likely that they'll succeed in the US market by rebranding and making their mark without adhering to a national identity, as Genesis has done with success, by taking a cue from Hyundai. Can BYD, however, develop a brand that appeals to drivers in America? Let's go back to 2017, when Musk also revealed the next-generation Tesla Roadster in addition to the Semi. Now that the Roadster's production schedule has changed several times, investors question whether Tesla really understands how complicated this project is. Do you recall the time that SpaceX flew a Tesla Roadster into space with a lifelike model of Starman? It was a brilliant marketing move that perfectly captured Tesla's forward-thinking essence. According to current predictions, this cosmic joyride could circle the universe for eons, serving as a symbol of Tesla's aspirations. However, there are questions about Musk's recent behavior. His divisive tweets. It's an announcement that modern technology is something you embrace. It all comes down to leading the way in innovation and stretching the bounds of what is conceivable. Modern technologies and a stylish appearance make the Roadster more than just a vehicle. It's a declaration, a strong affirmation of your resolve to welcome the future. With the Roadster, Tesla is not attempting to compete in the mass market. Rather, they're going for the stars by creating a halo automobile that defies convention and sparks curiosity. Its price may make some laugh, but its audacity will enthrall others. This isn't your typical vehicle. It represents ingenuity. Its commercial performance has been uneven to say the least. The Roadster will definitely generate noise and draw attention from well-known consumers, even though it might not top sales statistics. It enhances Tesla's reputation as a business at the forefront of invention. Let's take a closer look at Tesla's calculated moves and ARK Invest's futuristic viewpoint. ARK Invest's unwavering dedication to long-term thinking indicates that it is aware of the ramifications of Tesla's activities that extend beyond the company's short-term swings. This strategy emphasizes the value of Tesla's careful approach to manufacturing growth, placing a higher priority on quality and innovation than on quick expansion. Tesla's strategy for increasing production is a calculated move meant to guarantee that every car is built to the greatest possible standards of dependability and quality. Tesla wants to establish itself as a high-end electric vehicle manufacturer and gain the trust and allegiance of customers by putting quality over quantity. Furthermore, Tesla has shown its steadfast faith in the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, with its investments in autonomous technology, such as the FSD2 software. With the release of the FSD2 software, Tesla's autonomous driving capabilities will advance significantly, opening the door to a time when cars will be able to drive on roadways with previously unheard of safety and accuracy. Furthermore, Tesla's efforts to develop personalized robo-taxi cars highlight its desire to use AI technology to completely transform the transportation sector. Tesla wants to build a fleet of autonomous cars that can transport people on demand, cutting down on emissions and traffic jams while improving customer convenience and accessibility. With these audacious actions, Tesla solidifies its standing as a leader in artificial intelligence and places itself at the forefront of innovation and technical development. As long as Tesla keeps pushing the envelope, it will have a significant and disruptive impact on how people travel in the future. However, I believe that fully automated driving of the car is not too far off. For instance, at this moment, the car could transport me to the airport from Austin if I wanted to go there. All it uses are cameras and digital neuron nets or artificial intelligence. Thus, nothing exists, not even radar or LiDAR. Elon Musk moderated expectations throughout the call by admitting that forecasting AI advancements is difficult. It serves as a reminder that even in the midst of excitement, there could be detours along the way. There's cause for hope, particularly in terms of margins. Tesla stands out in the market thanks to their unwavering focus on cutting costs and dedication to innovation. Traditional automakers are cutting back on EV platforms, but Tesla is still optimistic, and rightfully so. Sales of EVs are soaring, having doubled in 2021 alone. This growth is a signal of things to come as more countries make the commitment to lowering their carbon emissions, not just a passing trend. However, let's not overlook the other big issue, climate change. The carbon footprint of EV supply networks is clarified by Tesla's impact analysis, which also highlights potential and problems. EV supply chains may produce greater emissions at first, but over the course of their lifetime, EV emissions are far lower than those of gas-powered vehicles. It serves as a reminder that battling climate change is just as important as providing greener mobility throughout the EV revolution. Speaking of transportation, a clever adapter has made it possible for owners of Ford EVs to connect to Tesla's supercharger network. When our team put it to the test, everything went smoothly. It benefits both Ford and Tesla, giving Ford owners a competitive edge and growing Tesla's network of charging stations. Let's go back to the original source of it all, the Tesla Roadster. This legendary car personifies Tesla's innovative and audacious spirit. The Roadster, from its modest start in 2008 to its most recent version, has stood for Tesla's daring. Even while its journey seems extraordinary, it serves as a reminder that Tesla